Good morning YouTube, good morning my friends. Here I am back again with another travel vlog. Today I'm not alone, I have my friends with me. Sridhar over here.
Hi.
I have known him ever since I can remember. And there is Amudan.
Hi everyone.
Amudan, we have known him ever since he was born. So our friendship dates back to ages. Today we are planning on a trip to a dam nearby. It's around 50 odd kilometers from our houses. This vlog we are trying to make it slightly different. I'm going to show you how best you can utilize your action cam to show such amazing trick shots and cinematic shots using your action cam itself. Stay with us till the end. Let's get started. As you can see such greenery on the left side covered with a layer of mist. We have trees on both sides. This is what village experience is all about. If you are coming from Madurai, Nelakote is the next big town. You come through that route for like 10 kilometers and then you have to take a right at Venkatashri Kotai. That leads to this Ghat road that you're seeing right now. And you have to travel on this road for another 16 kilometers to reach the dam. Heaven on earth. Thousands and thousands of coconut trees. Wherever you turn, you will see only coconut trees here. They say Kerala is known for that. They should come here. Marudhanadhi Dam, 6 kilometers from here. That's the place we are heading to. This village, they have an association called Thennai Vivasayigal Nalachangam. So that's called Coconut Farmers Association. No wonder they are all well taken care of.
Sometimes it is always good to get lost.
Yeah,
these kind of roads.
Yeah, it's always good to get lost in wilderness like this. It's not really wilderness, but still, anything away from human civilization is good for us.
That's a nice location.
Yeah,
Very offbeat, la?
extremely offbeat, and look at the hillsides, hill cover throughout.
Yeah.
Look at this, guys. Look at this.
செமையா இருக்கு. என்னது? ஓகே.
கொடைக்கால் போற வழியில இருக்குல.
ஓகே. உங்க பேர் என்ன?
வேல்முருகன்.
வேல்முருகன், ரைட்.
இந்த ஊர் தானே நீங்க?
இந்த ஊர்.
Isn't that crazy? Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a very good visual treat. We tried our best to give you what is appealing for you. It was a lot of effort, to tell you the truth. So that makes us wonder how much effort filmmakers put in to give you a very good movie to watch, right? So kudos to all the filmmakers. Talking about this dam, there's enough and more water. In fact, the dam was almost full. If you are coming here for a day visit from Madurai, it's a very nice place, decently safe as well. If you are just boys coming here, you'll have a blast. Don't you guys agree?
Yeah, undoubtedly.
Yeah, it was a fantastic experience, yes. If you're coming with family, if there is enough number of people like 5 to 7, then it's a very good place. Come prepared. If you are planning to take bath, come prepared. There is a very safe place for you to take bath as well. Yeah,
Very
the water is very pure and it's cold.
Yeah.
Right now it's very sunny. You must have seen that in some of the pictures and videos. It's pretty sunny. So it makes it all the more fun to dip your toes in water and enjoy. This place was actually suggested by Sridhar's one good friend, Mr. Naveen.
Yeah.
He is a corporate person by profession. However, he is a personal fitness coach and he's also a natural bodybuilder. His Instagram ID is given there and it's also in the description box below. In the video you would have seen a lot of good pictures as well. A lot of good slow motion shots and panning shots taken by Sridhar over here and Amudan. Their Instagram IDs are also in the description box below. Do check them out and please subscribe to my channel Footloose Globetrotters so that you don't miss out on my regular updates. Like this video, there's a lot of effort that has gone into it. If you like it, we'll appreciate it. Comment down below your thoughts of how do those cinematic view shots were. Was it useful for your channel as well? And stay tuned, stay safe. Till we meet again, bye-bye.
And don't forget to share this video to your friends.
Oh yeah, thank you Sridhar. Bye guys.